In this video, I am going to discuss class 11th mathematics, the third chapter, trigonometric functions. This chapter consists of 5 parts. The first part is how to convert between degrees and radians. The next part is about graphs of trigonometric functions. There are 6 of them: sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. Then the trigonometric functions of values in the 4 quadrants. And then the derivation of trigonometric identities followed by their applications. And the chapter ends with trigonometric equations solutions. And there are good number of questions in the miscellaneous exercise at the end of the chapter. So I will start with the concept and then applications, and in form of applications I will be answering all the exercise questions and answers. Let's begin with trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions are otherwise known as circular functions because these functions satisfy the equation of a circle. You must have seen some of the trigonometric identities where or which appear like sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, or tan square theta plus 1 is sec square theta, or cot square theta plus 1 is cosec square theta. Since the trigonometric functions satisfy this equation, which is equation of a circle, the trigonometric functions are otherwise known as circular functions. Since we will be discussing about trigonometric functions of various angles, we will start defining an angle. How do we define an angle? The angle is the measure of rotation of a particular ray with respect to an initial ray or initial point. We can measure angle in 3 different systems of measurement. One of them is the sexagesimal system, next is the centesimal system, and next is the circular system. In sexagesimal system, angle is measured in terms of degrees. In centesimal system, angle is measured in terms of grades. And in circular system, angle is measured in terms of radians. Radians is the SI unit of measuring an angle. Now, what is the meaning of a degree? When a right angle is divided in 90 equal parts, then each part is a degree. When a right angle is divided into 100 equal parts, then each part is a grade. And when a circle, in case of a circle, if we draw length of an arc such that arc length is equal to radius of the circle, then angle subtended by that arc at the center is called 1 radian. So when a right angle is divided into 90 equal parts, then each part is called 1 degree. Now this each part, which is 1 degree, if it is further divided into 60 equal parts, then we will say that every degree is divided into 60 minute pieces. So 1 degree is 60 minute pieces or 60 minutes. Then this 1 degree is which is further divided into 60 minute pieces, in that every 1 minute piece is called, or part is called 1 minute. And this 1 minute, if it is further divided into 60 minute parts, then we will say that 1 minute is the same as 60 further minute pieces, means 60 seconds. So here this relation is very important in this chapter. That is 1 degree is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. And remember, this minute and this second is not the clock's times minute and second. This is about a degree. What is a degree? When a right angle is divided into 90 equal parts, each part is called a degree, and that one part, when it is further divided into 60 minute pieces or parts, that 1 degree is called 60 minutes, and among those 60 minute parts, that one part is called 1 minute, which is further divided into 60 further minute parts. So every 1 minute is 60 seconds. Then if a right angle is divided into 100 equal parts, then each part is called 1 grade. And In case of circular system, for a circle, in case of a circle, if length of an arc is the same as a radius of the circle, then angle subtended by the arc at the center is called 1 radian. Since we know that angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center can be written as a theta is equal to length of arc by radius of the circle. If length of the arc and radius of the circle are same, they cancel each other, then we will get theta as 1, and in this case this 1 is a 1 radian, which we can write as 1 to superscript c to tell that this is circular unit. Also, that 1 radian is approximately equal to 57.3 degrees. In terms of degree, a straight line has a 180 degrees. So, in terms of degrees, a straight line has an angle of 180 degrees. So, this is the same as in circular system, that is in terms of radians, one straight line has a pi angle on it, and in terms of centesimal system, that is grades, one straight line is made up of 200 equal parts. That means when we defined one right angle, when we divide into 100 equal parts, then each part is called a grade. So one right angle is 100 parts. So two right angles means a straight line will have 200 parts, in which each part is a grade. So when we want to convert degrees to radians to grade, we will use this relation. Degree by 180 is the same as a radian by pi is the same as a grade by 200. In this case, pi is a 22 by 7. Now let's take an example to understand how to convert degrees to radians or radians to degrees. So 30 degrees, for example, is how many radians? For that, we will use the ratio degree by 180 is equal to radian by pi. In place of degree, we will write 30. So 30 by 180 is a radian by pi. Pi means divided. And then go for a simple cross multiplication here. The 0 cancel, 3 ones, 3 6. Pi into 1 is pi, pi by 6. So in terms of radians, 30 degrees is a pi by 6 radians. 30 degrees is pi by 6 radians. Now look into this. How many degrees make 6 radians? So once again we will use the relation degree by 180 is radians by pi. 6 radians, so in place of radians we will write 6, and pi is a 22 by 7. So we will go for a simple cross multiplication, and we will get degree is 180 times 6 divided by 22 and 7 to the numerator. A simple cancellation of terms. Here we will get 2 table 1190. 3780 by 11 in terms of degrees. But degrees should not come in form of fraction. We have to write this in terms of degrees, minutes and seconds. So let us go for long division. 3780 divided by 11. So 3's 33, 4, 8, going for 4, so 44, 40, once again 3, 33 and remainder is 7. So we will write 3780 by 11 in terms of mixed fraction, that is 343, 7 divided by 11, and this is all in terms of degrees. So 6 radians is 343 degrees plus 7 by 11 degrees. Now we should remember that 1 degree is a 60 minute parts, means 60 minutes. So here to this we will multiply 60. to get the answer in terms of minutes, further seconds. 7 into 6 is 42 and we have an extra 0, 11, and this is in minutes. So once again we have to go for a long division. So 420 is divided by 11. So we will get here 3's, 33, 9, 0, 8's, 88, and we get here 2. So 420 by 11 minutes is a 38 2 by 11 mixed fraction. So 343 degrees plus 38 2 by 11, 38 2 by 11 minutes. This we can further write as 343 degrees, 38 minutes and 2 upon 11 minutes. And this one further we will convert to seconds. Now remember that 1 minute is a 60 seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So to this we will multiply 60 to get further answer in terms of seconds. So 6 radians is 343 degrees, 38 minutes, 2 into 60, that is 120 upon 11 seconds. So 120 upon 11 we should do long division. So 120 when we divide by 11, 11 ones, here 1 0, go for 0, 11 zeros is a 0, so 10, and a decimal 0, 11 nines, 99. Okay, so this is approximately 10.9 seconds. So 6 radians in terms of degrees is 343 degree, 38 minutes, and this one is a 10.9 seconds, which we can round up as 11 seconds.